It is that time of the week again when I actually have to rely on my autofocus system to work. But that is because I'm not recording with this kit lens at the moment, because today's video is about it. Should you be using kit lenses? Now this here is the 14 to 42mm Panasonic Lumix kit lens f3.5 to 5.6. Pretty average. This is your standard kit lens right here. Now, is it any good and should you buy your camera with them? A lot of people ask this before they buy a new camera, and it sort of depends on what you want. But overall, I would say don't get the kit lens. Why do I say that? Now, this is when I sort of move on to my review of this lens. Build quality, pretty crap. Optical sharpness, alright, not the best. When I'm shooting in 4K, I can notice that this lens is sharper than this lens. It's noticeable. Robustness, I've dropped this in the sea. And it still does fine, so yeah, it's pretty robust. What else is there? It's pretty small, it's extremely portable, it's ridiculous. The focus ring and zoom ring are really unsmooth. That probably didn't help. Dropping it in the sea though as well. But still, it's not the best. Panasonic is better than Canon's kit lenses in my opinion. And the reason I say you shouldn't get kit lenses is because the normal lenses can be so cheap, but so much better. You may not be the kind of person who at all cares about the best tip-top image quality. But personally, I am. I like my 4K sharpness. It doesn't truly allow me to appreciate the 4K that comes out of this camera. Oh, hang on a sec. It's kit lens quality right there. If you want to use it for only going on holiday, taking a few photos, you're not really seriously into it, then yeah, they're alright. But if you actually want to get into this and have very sharp images, pin sharp 4K video, and something that just works really well, then yeah, this isn't particularly for you. So 14mm, this is generally the focal length that you'll get on a kit lens, and it's quite wide, as you can see in the shot. I'm about the same distance I was away from the 25mm, this baby, a minute ago. A good measure of wide angle is if you can stand in a reasonably small room and get the ceiling and floor in shot, then I would call it wide angle. In terms of vignetting, it's not quite wide enough to do that. In terms of lenses and in terms of colour fringing, I have noticed you do get a little bit of that. But what can you actually use this lens for? It's pretty nice for YouTube. Travelling, it's pretty good for that. Small, lightweight, versatile, everything like that. What else? Landscapes, it does alright. You won't be able to fully appreciate sharpness, but it'll be alright. Astro f3.5, not really, but this is one of my shots that I took with it, so it does the job. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos here on Riverside Tech. I'll see you guys in the next video. Sorry for the awful background. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.